with another video today. And today, I'm at the library, so I have to be kind of quiet. But today I got a new package. Yay! Let's see what it is. And now for the moment of truth. She's so cute. No, I thought I was getting the other one. This is so cute. Oh, she's so cute. I'm so tired. Don't know why. Oh, she's so cute. Mm. Another one? Okay. I swear I thought it was another one, but I still love her so much. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys next time. Bye. She might be my new mascot too.